Are you ready, fans, for this unboxing from the Spin Master Monster Jam series of the Double Down Showdown 2-pack featuring Son of a Digger and Mohawk Warrior? On the back, we have High Octane Face Off with the Soldier of Fortune and Soldier of Fortune Black Ops 2-pack. That I already unboxed that one, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these two amazing die-cast Monster Jam trucks. First off, let's look at, I guess, Son of a Digger. We'll take a look at him first of all. So I'll just put Mohawk Warrior off to the side. Here it is, Son of a Digger. Let's check it out, the graphics on this new Spin Master. Very nice graphics. To the front with those blue lights and then those blue flames. Very nice. I enjoy the blue wheels and the beadlock rims, all blue. Underneath, the chassis being blue, that's pretty good. Looks nice. It kind of all blends in. It could have maybe had a black chassis, but they're going with a blue version, probably to accommodate the blue that is in the graphics of Son of a Digger. So, wow. Very cool. Onto the back. There we go. The motor is in there, up top. There we go, with Son of a Digger, what it looks like. So that one is looking very cool, Son of a Digger. And now let's bring in Mohawk Warrior. Wow. Huh? Does this take your breath away or something? Those pink wheels, rims look very good. Up top you can see a different style of the Mohawk. A little bit different than the Hot Wheels version. This is also the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior, which is very cool that they put that on. The graphics are a whole lot better. I think that, it adds to the truck. There are more graphics on this truck than the Hot Wheels version. I'm glad that they went with the black chassis. Front looks great. Great clips right there with some graphics on the hood of the truck. On to the other side. Wow. Looking really good. Great clips and Mohawk Warrior. The tailgate. Now this is what it looks like this way. So the two heads are combined, and then you got a piece right here for the Mohawk. It's a little bit, it is different from the Hot Wheels version, so it's a different take on the Mohawk. Overall, it is looking very good. So thank you for tuning in to this unboxing and review from the Spin Master Monster Jam series